Anti-dingki.
It's last touch by Hasan. Veteran play by Noke.
Veteran.
Noke. Bring down the ball.
Oh!
Recover by Parilla. 8 second shot clock. Parilla. It's fouled by number 88. The 1 second personal foul. Substitution rep.
Ubusin mo na yung foul mo, George!
Yes, George!
Yes, George! George!
Noke.
Yung screen no, screen no!
George, punta mo na
Looking for
yung
a
screen, oh! Ay, so!
Parilla jumps. Almost. Recovered by Marquez. Reverse layup by Marquez. 2 points.
Yawas.
Bantay sa tao.
Nagdasok po sila pero nga to sa ringan mo.
Tanga.
Eh, bumalik na naman sa 10.
6 minutes and 31 seconds. Time remaining. Hasan to Llanto. 10 second shot clock. Llanto. Looking for the way. Almost lost the ball. Recovered by Marquez. And fouled by number 52. It's Llanto. Llanto first personal foul. Substitution rep number 42. Kantit. 6 minutes and 16 seconds. Time remaining. Quezon.
Bantay, George! Screen! George,
Quezon.
sabi naman sa kabila,
Looking for
George!
the pass.
Likod mo, likod! Banti kamay! Oh!
Pass to Parilla. To Marquez. Marquez. Rebound by Balmores.
Dito, Joe! Dito, Joe!
Pass to Hasan. 2 points by Hasan.
Oh! Bola!
Quezon.
Ilalim!
Pass by Balmores. Quezon all alone. 2 points by Quezon. Hasan. Harass by Marquez. 2 points by Hasan.
Oh, aras!
Link kasi.
Oh! Oh!
Quezon.
Oh!
It's Butata time. Number 52. Second personal foul. Warning for penalty, Yabik.
Oh!
Time out. Yabik.